Ito na po ang pinakahintay. Lo. Let's go! Battle between silver and red. Foul. Who's foul? Red? Kuya. Ooh. What's called red? Who's this? Rich. Bars. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Bob. Si Kuya Bob. The Energizer is here. Pass to Kuya Talay. No good. Pass to Rich. Pass to Kuya Bob. Pass to. Hindi ko wala na. Nakuha ni Kuya. Pasa kay. Side to blue. Kuya Jude, side step. Pass to. No good. Nakuha ni Crocodile. The Crocs. Lacoste. Pass to Kuya Bob. Pass to Crocs. Crocs for 3. No good. Alcoy, nandito pala. Pass to Kuya Talay. Pass to Kuya Norlan. Kuya Norlan for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Sino to? Kuya Bob. Bababa ng bola. Kuya Bob. Pass through. Number 21. Jordy. Traveling. Kuya Jude. Pass to number 6. Pass to Kuya Norlan. Pass to Kuya Jude. Pass to Mia. Pass to Kuya Talay. Pass to 6. No good. Nahuli Kuya Ansel. Pass to Rich 24. Lays up. Basket for 2. Score is 4-0. Lamang ang may alam. Number 9, Kuya Jude, basket. Yo man. Pass to for 3. Bam! Basket for 3. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Foul left. Who's foul? 21. Foul number 21. First try. Basket. Second try. No good. Number 24, tripping the ball. Number 24. Score is 3-7. No good. Pass to Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob for 3. Bam! Get for 3. Kuya Jude tripping the ball. Tessie. Kuya Jude, drop pass to Kuya Talay, drop pass to basket.
Guys, defense, medyo maluwag tayo.
Score is 10-5. Scroll, pass to, drop pass sa gitna, nahuli.
Nice.
Jump ball. Same basketball. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Naghahanap na pinasa. Pass. No good. Nakuha ni. Nakuha ni. Nakuha ni. Number 24. Number 24. Pass to Kuya Ansel. Pass to Kuya Tam. Kuya Pat drives. No good. Nakuha ni. Pass to Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Pass to number 6. Traveling. Kuya Bob. Pass to Kuya Ansel. Wala. Pass to Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude, dire-diretso. Lays up, foul. Push foul left. Foul left. Pass to Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Hardy. Pass to Akita. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 11. Kuya Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay, dire-diretso. Pass to Kuya Norland. Lays up. No good. Oh. Kuya Ansel, dire-diretso. Pass to Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Hardy. Kuya Hardy, play. Oh, nice steal, D. Kuya Malik. Pass to Kuya Ulika. Sabi. Unit time. Time out. Score natin 5-10, lamang ang red ng 5. Back to the ball game. Score is 10-5. 5-point lead ng red. First try ni Kuya Ansel. Basket. Vietnamese Cup. Second try. Basket. With a Vietnamese Cup. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Kuya. Kuya. Lahat na babasahan. Pass to. Pass to. Pass to. Pass to Kuya Hardy. First. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya. Kuya Bob. Pass to Kuya Ansel. Pass to Kuya Bob. Low post. Pass to Kuya Ansel. Kuya Ansel, hesitate. Pass to Kuya. Pass to 5 seconds sa ating shot clock. Pass through. Airball. Nakuli. Kuya Harvey. Kuya Harvey nagpapadali. Pinasabay. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya. Drops. Basket. Easy-easy. Parang si Pipsy. Kuya Javier. Javier. Pass to. Dakwa ko dahil. Pass to. Kuya Bob. Nakuha ni. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Dadala ng bola. Kuya Jude. Tinawid. Pass to. Kuya Harvey. Kuya Harvey. Pass to. Number 6. Drops. No good. Seven. Pass to Kuya Ansel. Gabiat ng iskat. Pass to Kuya Biel. Pass to Kuya Bob. Back to Gabiat ng iskat for 3. Wow! Gabiat ng iskat. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Up. Under. No good. Nahuli. The Crocodile. Pinasa kay Kuya number 6. Raise up. Basket for 2. Sabret. Score is 17-7. 10-point lead na red team. Sabret. Kuya Tator in. Sino sasabad? Pass to number 6. Pass to number 6 again. Huli. Nakula ni Kuya Jude. Nagpapadali. Kuya Jude. Lays up. Basket for 2 by Kuya Jude. Score is 10-17-9. 6-point lead. 8-point lead na red. Pass to. Bars. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Jude. Dinaharas. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Ivy. Tirasa pa. Pass to Kuya Talay. Legs up. Basket for 2 by Kuya Talay. Number 6. Pass to number 11. Wow! Cruz foul rep.
Busta tayo! Nasa si Harvey! Ito na bola!
Foul. Kuya Harvey.
Set jumping!
Shoutout sa mga nanonood. Shoutout mo si Kuya Ral. Lagi kayo na. Ral, tumakas ka na naman. Lagi kayo na yan eh. Papawis daw eh. Happy viewing kay Kuya Grospe. Malamig pa. Kuya Gato! Kuya Harvey. Pinasa kay number 6. Raise up. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya. Hindi ko kilala. Kapatid ni Kuya Ryan. Pass to Javier. Pass to kapatid ni Kuya Ryan. Pass to. Raise up. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Talay. Pass to Kuya Jude. Pass to number 6. Dire-diretso. Euro. Pass to Kuya Talay. Using the ball. Basket. Kuya Javier. Pass to Rafael. Pass to Rafael. Tunggu, kumalong bilang. Pass to Kuya Jude. Na-steal. Kawala ni Kuya Talay. Dire-diretso. Out of bounds. Red basketball. Score is 13-20. 7-point lead ng Red. Happy viewing kay Kuya Jerome. Basket. Pass to Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude, moves up. Basket, count. Nagkape pa sa ere. Sus, foul red, foul number 21. Kuya Jude. Body shot. Basket. Para kay Kuya Jude. Score is 16-20. 4-point lead ng Red team. Pass to Kuya Dator. Kuya Dator, nagkaan mo papasahan. Pass to Kuya. Kapatid ni Kuya Ryan. Lays up. Basket. Pass to Kuya Arvin. Pass to number 6. Number 6, dire-diretso. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuya Jude. Foul. Foul, Red. Foul number 24. Kuya Talay. Pass to Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Niluwa. Malas ang mga dehado. Pass to number 24. Kuya. Dire-diretso. Foul. Foul number 12. Kuya Mejia. No.
I want the big phone. I want the big phone.
There's no internet.
Second try. No good ulit.
Daddy, I want
Nakuha ni number 6. Pass to Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay, pass to Kuya Mejia. Basket. Pass to Kuya Rich. Kuya Rich. Pass to Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob, nagalit na papasahan. Pass to Kuya Rich. Pass to Kuya Pierre. Kuya Pierre, hesitate. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay, dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ni number 17. Kuya Pierre. Pass to number 24. Rich, laser. No good. Kuya Dator. Kuya Dator, takes 10 seconds to shoot. 3-second violation. Kuya Jude. Pass to number 6. Pass to foul. Who's foul, right? Foul number 21. Third personal foul, game. Third personal foul na. Andrew, foul na kayo. Flash shot. Basket.
Guys, stop the ball. Let's go.
Kuya Rich. Pass to
Uy! What? What? Uli basketball.
No good.
Ansel, pasok!
Second drive. Kuya Dante, for three. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Bob. Bakit? Kuya Alvin, pato Kuya Tagay. Nakuha ni Kuya Jude. Kuya Bob. Pass to Kuya Rich. Drop pass. Pass to Kuya Dator. Kuya Dator. Pass. Kuya Dator. Uy, na-steal. Uy, Lisa. Lumulobo na po ang kalamangan. Pass to. Oh, ganda. Basket. Simple lang. May Kuya Mia. Kuya Bob. Pass to Kuya Rich. Kuya Rich. Kuya Rich. Kuya Rich. Drop pass. To Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob for three. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Rich. Pass to Kuya Dator. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Kanya pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Hello. Kuya Jude. Pass to. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Pass to Kuya Ansel. Kuya Ansel. Pass to Kuya Rafael. No good. Nakuha ni number. Kuya Talay. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Harvey. No good. Nakuha ulit. Kuya Harvey. Foul. Foul number 24. Kuya Harvey, pass to number 6. Oh, Euro step. No good. Wala talaga. Wala talaga. Malas. Mukhang araw lang makawala ngayon ah. Pass to Kuya Rafael for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Number 24. Foul. 3 fouls na po. 3 fouls. Number 24. Offred. Wala pa. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Pass through. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Kapatid ni Kuya Ryan, nagbababa. Pass to Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob, pass to Vietnamese. Vietnamese, pass to Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob, using the word basket for 2. Vietnamese Cup, isang tingin naman dyan. Hey! Pass to Kuya Jun. Pass to Kuya Talay. Lays up, basket. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Pass to Vietnamese. Pass to Kuya Ansel. Ooh! Bam! The Vietnamese cut! Labas ang koi fish sa kanyang braso. Pagpagupit na kayo. Kuya Jude! Kuya Jude! Lays up! Using the ball. Basket. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. I don't know. Kuya Rich. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Kuya. Oh! Nagagalit na ang endorser ng Lakos. Kuya Jude. Pass to number 6. Oh! Napa! Oh. Parang may lamok. Grabe yun. Foul number 14, Kuya Bob. Grabe, parang may lamok. First try. Second try. No good. Nakuha ni. Oh! Second. Kuya Norlan. Oh, ganda! Ulo. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Laro lang tayo, laro lang. Let's go, laro lang. Pass to Kuya Ansel. Kuya Ansel, red. Huli ka! Nakuha ni. Kuya Bob, foul. Huli ka ni Kuya Jude. Kuya Ansel. Pasok na yan. Nasa iyo, Emig. Binigyan mo kita reason eh. Pass to Kuya Rich. Pass to Kuya Rafael. Pass to Kuya Ansel for 3. Nakuha ni Kuya Norlan. Pass to Kuya Talay. Pass to number 6. Pass to Kuya Talay. Dire-diretso. Pass to Kuya Norlan. Pass to Kuya Jude. Pogi versus Babayet. Kuya Jude! Jump ball. Same basketball. 14 seconds sa ating shot clock. Pass to Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Nabitawan yung bola. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Kuya Jude. No good. Walang block. Pass to Kuya Bob. Score is 30-37. 7-point lead ng red. Kuya, picks. Pass to Kuya Bob. 5 seconds to shoot. Nice steal. Pass to Kuya Archie. Lays up. Basket. 5-point lead ng red. Pass to Kuya Bob. Number 6, Kuya Hansel. The crocodile moves. No good. Nahuli Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Wow. Fourth personal na po si Kuya Rich. Time out. Kuya Rich. Ano yun? Fourth personal foul, Agustin. Na red team warning for penalty. Red team. My check, my check. Ram, tumakas ka na naman. Go. Shout out kay Kuya Paul. Kuya Paul. Kuya Paul. Back to the ball game. Pass to Uyabi for 3. Bang! 2-point lead ng red team. Uyabi nag-iinit. Pass to Uyabier. Pass to Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob, nakakalagaw. Foul. Who's foul, right? Foul number, sila rep. Kuya Hansel. Nakuha. Ganda naman yun. Nakaplay. 4-point lead ng red. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Fake pass. Basket. Kuya Bob, bababa ng bola. Time remaining 10 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to Kuya Bob for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Biel. White ball. Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Pass to Kuya Norlan. Kuya Norlan, bumitaw. Bang! Labang na po. Labang na ang silver. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Pass to Kuya Hansel. Kuya Hansel. Pitch. Nagkape pa. No good. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude, Hesi. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Oh, nice steal. Lays up. Basket for 2. Change flavor. Pass to Kuya Arby. Pass to Kuya Norlan. Kuya Norlan. Pass to number 6. Pars. No good. Kuya Bob, dire-diretso. Sinalubong. Pasok Kuya Bob again. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Numersa. Uy. Nakuha. Uy. Kuya Hansel. Nakuha. Pass to Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Oh, 10 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Kuya. Kuya Hansel, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni. Time out daw, time out. Time out daw. Silver. Time out. Silver. Score is 40-41. Change, play ball. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. White ball. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Paso, Kuya Ivy. Paso, Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay, base. Nakuha ni Kuya Ansel. Kuya Ansel, dire-diretso. Nag-Elsie. Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Legs up. Lock it out. Change, play ball. Kuya Bob, paso Kuya Javier. Kuya Javier. Tumira ng tres. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude, binabantayan ni Kuya. Uy! Pasto Kuya Talay. Easy lang daw. Pasto Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude, ganda naman mo! The pass and the goal is the Tumasig, Roldan, connection. Kuya Boy, Silos, shout out. Maganda, kitin ni Kuya Boy. Pass Kuya Ivy. Pass to Kuya Jude. Ganda, Ryan din. Pass to Kuya Dolan. Podri. Diretso. Sa Kuya Rich. Pass to. Oh! Natapo ng sabaw. Sabre, sabre. Atin ang gabing ito. Kuya Mick. Next game ba Kuya Mick? Kuya Mick. Next game kayo. Prepare na po next game. Next game, Gray versus Beach. Warning for graduate, Jampit and Rich. Oh, isa pa. First try. Second try, ni Kuya Jude. No good. Nakuha ni. Save ball. Pass to Kuya Norlan. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Pass to Kuya. Basket. No good. Nakuha ni. Nice. Save ball. Silver basketball. 12 seconds to shoot. Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Legs up. No good. Nice. Bawal kayo dyan. Kuya Mia. Pass to Kuya Norlan. Ang ganda. Oops. Basket. Lima na po ang lamang ng silver. Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Pass to Kuya. Basket.
Depensa, 4 minutes pa yan.
Pass to Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya Talay. Pass to Kuya. Ganda niya. No good. Lumamig. Oh, drop pass. Basket. 5-point lead ng silver. Pass to Kuya Pierre for 3. No good. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Kuya Talay. Kuya Talay. Wala. Kuya Jude. Lays up ang ganda. Kuya Jude. Lumalobo na po. Kuya Rich. Pass to Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob. Pass to Kuya Bob for 3. No good. Nakuha ni. Basket! Second try. Basket. Last 2 minutes. Next game ko, mag-miss na. Nakuha ni. Huli. Nakuha ni. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya. Pass to Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude. 15 seconds to shoot. Ayun na. Kuya Rich. Oh, na-steal. Bili. Pinasakay. Straight ball. Kawawa kay Erson eh. Kuya Jude. Pass to Kuya. Kuya. Pass to. Pass to Kuya Talay. Pass to Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude for 3. Diretso ba? Basket for 3. 12-point lead ng BAM! Palitan na po. Kuya Jude. Uy! Lakas. Pass to Kuya Bob. Kuya Bob, gusto mo ba? Wala. Ayun na ulit! Basket. 11-point lead ng silver. Pass to Kuya Archel. No good. Nakuha ni. Kuya Jude. Kalma na daw. Mukhang magpapakasyon si Kuya Harvey ng masaya. Legs up. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Talay. Nakuha ni, Kuya Jude. Basket. Kuya. Nakuha ni Kuya Jude. Pass to 20 seconds. Magbabakasyon si Kuya Harvey ng masaya sa Mexico. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Tira, Kuya! Kuya Jude, ba't tinira mo eh? Half court. Seconds. Congratulations. Sige. Good game, good game. Nice game. Nice game. O, Navy Blue, alam niyo na kung sino yung babantayan. Round.